Taurus, welcome to my channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here with your love reading, and this is going to be from March 16th to the 31st. In this video, Taurus, what you will learn is your feelings and emotions, your person's feelings and emotions about you and the connection. And the second thing that we're going to go over is your point of view, how you see your person and how your person sees you. Please follow the link down below in the description box, and there's also a little clip in the beginning of this video that shows you where to go if you're interested in the extended reading. I do offer extended readings where we look at what your true intentions are, what their true intentions are, and what are the messages that the angels want you both to know. It's real life advice that you can apply to your situation. That way you don't have to get a personal reading if you really don't want to, but I also offer personal advice as well. All right, Taurus, let's get started. So March 16th to the 31st, how are you feeling about this person, Taurus? For some of you, you guys are probably feeling that this person can be a little childish or immature. I'm sensing that you feel like this person doesn't listen, like they're not listening to you. They have an issue with listening. It's someone in your life who is not listening. They just don't get it. It's like you've been trying to tell this person things that's going on and how you feel about them, but this person is not listening to you. Instead, this person, I feel, wants to call you or wants you to call them or wants a phone call, or maybe you're thinking about calling this person to get your point across, or maybe this person wants to communicate with you, but you're telling them something that they're not wanting to believe or not wanting to listen to. So this is just really how you feel, Taurus. It doesn't mean that this is accurate as it pertains to how they are actually doing things. It's just how you may be feeling in the inside here. But I do feel that you guys do feel that it's time for you to reach out to this person. It's for some of you, you may feel like you've been acting a little childish or immature toward this person or toward this connection. Since that you feel like you're learning from your mistakes at this time, okay? You're really learning from the things that you have done wrong here. The way that maybe your communication wasn't as good as you thought it was. Maybe you're realizing that it is time to communicate better with this person. I do see that you are focused on upward movement. It's like some of you feel guilty about some things that you said or some things that you did. You're in a place of confusion, I feel, Taurus. You guys are trying to figure things out. It's something about time that's coming up as well. It seems like you guys need more time. Could be that you need more time with this person, or you need more time before you call this person or before you resolve the issues with this person. Or maybe you're just feeling like you and this person need to spend time together, okay? It's like you need to resolve these issues with this person first before things can move forward with you and them. And I feel like you guys are going in slow motion here. You're moving in slow motion, Taurus. It seems like the way you feel is that the universe wants to punish you. It's like this feeling of you feeling like a victim, but not because of this person you're dealing with. It feels like you're the universe's victim. It's kind of like you just have your arms out and you're just like, why me? But I feel like something is moving, like you guys are just moving too slow. And I think that could be a part of the reason why you feel like the universe is picking on you right now. Because I think that what's happening here, Taurus, is that you're sensing that the universe wants you to move faster on something or to make something happen in terms of like where the universe and where God wants you to be and what God wants you to do. But you're asking God for more time to do something, I feel. It's like you guys know that there is something good here for you in a situation with your love life. And you guys are starting to take it into consideration, okay? Maybe you're starting to really say, you know what, universe, you know what, God, I think I am being a little immature about the way I'm approaching my love life right now. Like, I think that my person is trying to understand the way I'm communicating, and maybe I'm just not communicating enough, or I'm not communicating clearly. So I think that you guys are really in a deep self-reflection, and you're just feeling like, well, I don't know. It's like this feeling of, I don't know what to do. I feel like I need more time. I feel like I need to figure things out first before I have a conversation with this person, before we have the sit down talk, that kind of thing. This is just all how you feel about it, Taurus. This is just your feelings, okay? Now let's talk about this person's feelings and how they feel about the connection. So Taurus, your love interest, this person feels emotionally balanced right now. Their emotions are not all over the place. This person feels very, very balanced. This person knows self-control, and they're mastering self-control right now. They have everything under wraps when it comes to the way they feel about you. I don't sense that this person is negative. I don't sense that they're all over the place. I don't sense that this person's confused about anything. I think that this person's just like focused on themselves right now. Because maybe what I'm picking up is that you guys need to communicate with this person, because I did get something about calling someone in when I read your feelings. But tapping into this person's feelings, they're kind of more like inward. They're doing a lot of deep self-reflection. This person could be studying something new. I'm also getting something about environmental affairs. I don't know if you guys are dealing with someone who works outdoors, who does any kind of landscaping, construction, building, architecture, parks and recreation, natural disaster. Like, I don't know if you guys are dealing with someone who works in like a public sector that involves outdoors, nature, that kind of thing. Or maybe this is just someone who is studying something about this area. Or maybe they've been going to parks and just like sitting there thinking. This person may be in deep contemplation and thinking outside, maybe sitting on a porch or a backyard, a balcony, a park. Okay, this is someone who's getting grounded at this time, or who wants to get grounded. They're getting grounded, Taurus. This is a person who's connecting with Earth. Okay, this person is, wanting to. This person's gonna be wanting to do things outside for the last half of the month. Okay, this is someone who's really taking some time to breathe here. Okay, this person could also be taking part in something with a group of people involved, or this person's becoming like initiated into something new. They could be joining some type of group here with a group of people, or they could be doing some type of work in a group of people. They could have a new job. They could have a new business venture, a new business partnership with like groups of people. They could be doing some type of volunteer work, community action. But this person feels like you could be emotional about things, or that you could be overly sensitive or overly shy toward them, Taurus. I think the fact that you're not opening up is making this person feel like you are holding things in, or you bottle your emotions up. This person feels like you're not waking up to your truth, like you're just comfortable with your current life, and that you're kind of forgetting about them and the connection. You're kind of forgetting about them and what they want and what they need and what they've been asking of you. They feel like you're so caught up in your own life that you're not thinking about the future. together. This person's also learning from their own personal experiences within this connection. This person has a pretty healthy self-perception, so they're focused on doing better things for their life, okay? I don't feel like this person's energy is heavy or negative. All right, Taurus. So let's look at the point of view here. Point of view. How does Taurus see their person of interest? What do you see from your perspective? For a lot of you, you see this person as being neither here nor there. Okay, like it's like this is a person of mystery. You can't pinpoint this person. Or you may see this person as being a little like unstable in some type of way. Like you don't see them being 100% committed to you or 100% connected to you. You see this person having one foot in and one foot out, or maybe you see them having one foot in their past and one foot in their future. It's like this person is in between worlds right now. That's what you see. Doesn't mean that it's true. It's just that's what you see. You see this person being a little lost about things. Like it's like you can see that this person has goals, that they have dreams. And it's like you're this person, Taurus, that's like, I'm your dream. Like, I'm your dream come true. I'm standing right here. I'm your goal. I'm your person. Can you see me? Like, can you hear me? I'm here. I'm your person. Hello. But this person feels like you're so far away. Even though you're right there in front of them, they feel like their dream is still so far away. It seems like to you, you see this person still looking for something out of life. And you're trying to get this person to see that they can't live their old life anymore. Whatever they're searching for in the past, or whichever way they used to be before they met you, that's dead and gone. This person is a totally new person. This person's inside of a new world now. And you can see that this person's still trying to hold on to who they used to be, or who they used to know, or what they used to do. There's an aspect of this person's life that you see that they're still trying to hold on to, but everything has completely changed. The past is no longer serving this person. You see this person, you see their future as being so bright, Taurus. You can see all the potential in front of this person right now. This person wants to be somebody, or they want to go somewhere. If you want to be somebody, if you want to go somewhere. Yeah, this person is wanting to be, you see this person as having a lot of great opportunity to become the person that they want to be, but they're just not there yet. You feel like this is someone who will cut off any cords to the past. Like this person is good at cutting people off. You can see that. So I don't think that you're really concerned about them dealing with anyone from their past anymore. I think the past comes up because you can see that this person's still holding on to some past ideas, traditions, or things that happened between the two of you in the past. It could be any one of those things. Like maybe they're still holding on to this false perception of how they see you. This person's holding on to things that you guys went through, and you see them as still holding on to things that happened to them. But they're like one foot there, and then the other foot, they're like in your world already. They're in your life already. They are on the same page as you already. They're coming toward you already. They're with you already. But it's just you have half of them, not everything. Taurus, you see this person as an extraordinary person. This person doesn't know how much you love them, and they don't see how high you've placed them when it comes to people who are important in your life. They're like one of your top priorities. You see this person as being blessed by the universe. This person has purpose. You know this person has purpose because of how they move, how they act, how they live their life. You also see this person as being someone who lives their life like they have nothing to lose. Like This person can't go wrong in your eyes. Nothing that they do can be wrong. You feel like this person's always right because everything that they do is justifiable. You can always prove it. They can always prove why they did something. You think highly of this person, okay? So how does this person see you, Taurus? This person sees Taurus as, they see you as colorful. A person who has a personality that's very vibrant, fresh, and youthful. They see you being a very happy person, like you're just so happy. That's how they see you. It could be because of maybe what you post on social media, could be because of the way you come across to people or your public persona. Publicly, you look like you're enjoying your life. Publicly, you look like you are just having a grand time without them. That's how they see you. Like you're living your life without them. They feel like you have safety and protection around you, and that they don't. They don't feel as safe as it looks like you feel. Okay. They feel like you can trust people around you, but they can't trust the people around them. It's like they kind of do a little bit of a comparison between the two of you. This person sees you as someone who's disconnected from them. They feel like you work too hard. And you can easily disappoint this person because you work so much, or you put work before them. It's like your top priority here. This person sees you as someone who maybe they're trying to figure out, are you a corrupt person? This person kind of feels like you do something that's not good, or you do things that they don't agree with, or you live by a code that they don't live by. But at the same time, they see you as a beautiful, good person who's highly intelligent and intellectual. So they look at you like a good guy, bad guy, or a good girl, bad girl. That's how they look at you, like you're both, okay? This person knows that you're not perfect and that the connection's not going to be perfect, but they're trying to figure out what's the next action toward them. So I think that this person just wants to know like what's next with the two of you, okay? But they just see you as a perfectly imperfect person. Like you have your flaws, you're not perfect, but to them you're perfect still, okay? So this person just really wants you to be happy, but they also want you to be happy too, okay? So this person is just like, yeah, the Taurus is so happy. It looks like they're having a time of their life. Meanwhile, I'm here disconnected, not feeling safe within this connection. I can't trust this connection. I feel like there's some wrong happening here behind my back, and I'm just hopeless at this point. I don't know what to expect. Okay, so that is all I have for you, Taurus. Check out the extended, because in the extended we're going to go deeper. We're going to look at some angel messages, some words of advice, and what you guys really want with this connection, the secrets. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye.